Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths for Group 4 using an easy method. First, thoroughly understand your syllabus and the weightage of each topic. Building a strong foundation in basic concepts is crucial before tackling complex problems. Dedicate at least 30 minutes every day to practice, ensuring consistent engagement with the material. This daily effort will significantly improve your understanding and problem-solving skills over time. Next, adopt smart study strategies. When faced with a challenging problem, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the solution process less daunting. Use visual aids like graphs or diagrams to understand abstract concepts better. Always review solved examples thoroughly. They offer valuable insights into different problem-solving techniques. This active learning approach will deepen your comprehension. Consistent practice is absolutely essential for success. Make sure to solve a wide variety of problems from different sources, including past papers. This exposes you to various question types. Practice under timed conditions to improve your speed and accuracy, simulating exam pressure. Crucially, analyze every mistake you make. Understanding where you went wrong is vital for learning and avoiding similar errors in the future. Finally, focus on effective revision and building confidence. Create concise revision notes with all essential formulas and concepts for quick recall. Regularly test your knowledge with full-length mock exams to identify areas needing more attention and to get comfortable with the exam format. Remember to maintain a positive mindset and manage any stress effectively. Believe in your preparation, and you will perform well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.